Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile with a Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Range Rover Evoque. First of all, go to settings, then we're looking out for Bluetooth, onto Bluetooth, right to the bottom, over to the system, we'll switch it on, turn it down because the radio will probably play. So I'll just turn that down. Well, you've got phone here, nav, audio. We can click on either. Please pair phone, there's nothing paired at the moment. Search new. Vehicle to device, and again, as I say, watching out at the bottom here. Taking its time. Braille's iPhone 15 Pro, click on that. To pair and connect phone, enter 3810, 3810. The keypad automatically came up on the phone. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. And then connecting to Barry's iPhone, Range Rover Evoque connected. That's it done. Okay, I'll just show you how to play music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Range Rover Evoque. So we go to your music, whatever it be, Spotify, Amazon Prime, or iTunes as I've got. Click on there, you'll see at the bottom, Range Rover Evoque. If I just click on there, speakers and TVs, Range Rover Evoque or iPhone, the Range Rover is ticked. So anything that plays on my phone, whether it be YouTube soundtrack or whatever, will come through the sound system in the vehicle if you have it set right. So I'm going to click play. On play, we go over to the system and you've got audio video there, audio video. It's on radio at the moment. What you need, it's on radio, and not only that, but this is what I wanted to show you. My music, there's nothing next to my music. So if you click on my music, now there's a plus next to my music and it's come up on my iPhone. But if not, you click on the plus and then it gives you the choice: DVD, iPod, stored, USB, or my iPhone. So that's it. And now turn it up. That's it. That's how you stream audio. I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Range Rover Evoque. So from any screen, what we do, we go to phone, click on phone, and that brings up the phones that can be connected. So long as nothing's connected at the moment, it brings up what can be connected. But also, whatever you can connect, you've got a delete button next to it. Click delete. Delete Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, yes. That's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2013 Range Rover Evoque. Any screen, onto nav. Now I've already used it once, otherwise I would have to click on agree to not be distracted. So the maps come up, we want destination entry, postcode, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, P, where's R gone, R. Now the Range Rover system defaults to the numbers 5. Also, this is a 2-number postcode, so you don't have to put a space in on the Range Rover system. 4, which you do on a lot. E, A. PR5 4EA. Yes, that's what we want, so we click OK. And then, even after we've done that, we've got to click go to set off. Destinations nearby, we're sat in the forecourt. If I turn that up, it would give me directions as well.